The tough-built gel-fit knee pads set the standard for comfort, durability, and performance in demanding work environments. The adjustable elastic and EVA straps, along with a secure buckle system, keep the knee pad in place, offering a snug fit without cutting off circulation. Crafted with abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric and a rugged double-injected shell, these knee pads provide protection and durability. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. The iCoxer fidget spinner offers an innovative approach to decision-making, blending fun with functionality. Designed to engage users in both casual play and important choices, this spinner stands out as a tool that brings clarity to your day. With its sleek, durable build, it is made for lasting performance, making it an ideal companion for any situation. The spinner's smooth motion provides a satisfying tactile experience, helping you to unwind or focus when needed. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. A steady back means a sharper mind. The Ergear Ego. C3 ergonomic office chair doesn't just support your posture, it actively adapts to it. Designed for long hours at the desk, this chair uses pressure-responsive lumbar technology that pivots and flexes with your every move. Tailored comfort comes from the height-adjustable backrest. With a 2.56-inch vertical range, this ergonomic upgrade ensures proper alignment for users of varying heights. A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm, literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. The Kindle Scribe offers a seamless combination of digital reading and note-taking in one device, designed for those who seek a streamlined, efficient experience. With its redesigned flush front display and uniform white borders, this 10.2-inch tablet elevates both reading and writing tasks, providing a clear and smooth surface for extensive notes. Whether you are marking up documents or writing in the margins, the Active. This device includes a built-in notebook, allowing you to jot down meeting notes, to-do lists, or personal thoughts. Power through your daily grind with gear that meets the demands of professionals. The BooksTab Ultra C Pro is a 10.3-inch HD e-ink tablet engineered for peak performance and elevated productivity. With Kaleido 3-color e-paper, it mimics the richness of newspaper print, reducing eye strain while delivering crisp, vibrant visuals, even under direct sunlight. Fueling its efficiency is an advanced 8-core processor clocking up to 2.8 GHz, paired with Books' exclusive Super Refresh technology. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. Unfold a world of interactivity right on your table with the Alight Cube Smart Projector. Roughly the size of a soda can and weighing just under 1 pound, this portable powerhouse transforms any flat surface into a vibrant 32-inch touchscreen. From the classroom to the kitchen, from creative workspaces to game night, Alight opens up new dimensions of productivity and play with intuitive touch controls and cutting-edge AI recognition. Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and locked-up joints. The FlexiSpot V6 redefines your workspace by integrating movement directly into your workflow. This isn't just another chair, it's a full-on fitness companion disguised as an ergonomic office seat. Designed to help you cycle while you work, the V6 fights fatigue with every pedal and fuels mental clarity through active sitting. Its precision-contoured cushion cradles your body, relieving pressure during long hours, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool under deadlines. The ChillPad is a game-changing solution for those looking to stay dry and comfortable. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, this cooling pad brings effortless relief. With its smart dual cooling technology, the ChillPad features 2 independent cooling systems that adapt to your needs, ensuring optimal temperature control. The 3-speed fan control allows you to adjust the airflow to your preference, from a light breeze to a powerful chill. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. The TBK211 Digital Soldering Station Combo offers an efficient, versatile solution for precise soldering. It stands out with rapid heating capabilities, reaching the desired temperature quickly, ensuring minimal waiting time for users. Designed for accuracy, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the soldering process, enhancing the quality and reliability of every joint. The included cleaning sponge helps maintain a clean tip, extending the life of the soldering iron. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. Elevate your game time with a handheld engineered for versatility and performance. The Absolute One Pro blends portability with power, offering smooth access to retro titles, remote play from your console, and seamless cloud-based gaming, all in one device. Whether you're revisiting 16-bit classics or streaming the latest AAA releases, this unit delivers consistent results through its responsive controls and stable connection. The 7-inch Full HD screen delivers vibrant visuals with crisp clarity. SnowCap redefines cold plunge recovery with its cutting-edge all-in-one water cooling lid. Built for athletes and wellness enthusiasts alike, SnowCap maintains a consistently chilled environment, dropping water temperatures to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit without relying on ice or external chillers. Its durable construction and quick installation make it ideal for daily use, offering precision temperature control that enhances every plunge. Whether you're targeting muscle recovery, mental clarity, or metabolic boosts. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. Transform your workspace with the ErgoTune Hexon, designed to elevate both comfort and efficiency. Crafted for those who demand personalized productivity, this modular system adapts to your unique needs, offering the flexibility to arrange and customize your desk setup like never before. With its user-centric design, the ErgoTune Hexon ensures that every element of your workspace aligns with your specific preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more dynamic, multifunctional setup, this system allows you to mix and match components for a truly tailored experience. Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. The Nostalgia Retro Drink Maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. Breathe new purpose into outdated iPads with iFrameX, a seamless way to transform idle tech into useful home displays. Whether it's showcasing cherished memories, tracking local weather, or serving as a sleek digital clock, iFrameX unlocks practical value from old devices while cutting down on unnecessary e-waste. iFrameX combines an intuitive app with a custom charging module so your iPad stays powered around the clock without cluttered cables. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyodo MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyodo wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. Sound and motion meet in the compact brilliance of the Haloasis A1. This wireless speaker doesn't just play music, it brings every beat to life. Featuring a cutting-edge mini LED transparent display, the A1 visualizes lyrics in real time, turning your favorite songs into immersive visual performances. 3 high-fidelity sound units deliver rich, room-filling audio with crisp highs, deep lows, and everything in between. Built for the bold, Sharks is the micro knife engineered for those who value precision and resilience in every detail. This isn't a gimmick or a novelty. Sharks is a professional-grade cutting tool shrunk down to a mere 2 inches, ready to punch far above its weight. With a body forged from grade 5 titanium, it resists fire, water, and physical punishment with ease. This is the same alloy trusted in aerospace, now in your pocket. Precision meets presence in a headset smaller than your average smartphone. Big Screen Beyond reshapes what's possible in virtual reality with an engineering focus on size, comfort, and clarity. It weighs only 4.5 ounces and practically disappears when worn. Yet, it delivers a truly immersive experience through dual 1.3-inch micro OLED displays, each pumping out 2,560 by 2,560 pixels at 90 Hz. Living better begins at home. Ultra-Human Home advances home technology into new territory, delivering personalized environmental health insights to elevate how you live and rest. Sleek yet powerful, it monitors the crucial elements: air quality, temperature, humidity, light, and noise to reveal how your environment shapes your health. For the first time, home health data links directly to your lifestyle, identifying passive factors like PM, CO2, and formaldehyde that impact your health over time. The Theku Neck Cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. When your four-legged companion spends hours alone, boredom can lead to anxiety. That's where Dog's Play steps in, crafted specifically for pets. From streaming calming content to making two-way video calls with their favorite humans, Dog's Play transforms everyday routines into meaningful connections. With Dogflix Entertainment, your dog can unwind with curated shows designed to ease separation anxiety and reduce stress. The two-way video calls let you check in from anywhere with crystal-clear visuals and responsive audio calibrated to canine perception. The POW Audio Mo collapsible magnetic Bluetooth speaker brings impressive sound quality in a compact, versatile design. Featuring a 10-watt output, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The speaker's collapsible design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily store or carry it while traveling. With a robust 100-foot Bluetooth range, you can move around freely while enjoying uninterrupted music. Transform your training space with a smart bench that adapts to your goals. The GymPad bench compresses full gym functionality into a